Hey, I'm Hannah over at Ella's Bungalow, and this is my gaff.
So if we just start outside, they can just have a little look of what the outside looks like. So the upstairs door windows are going to eventually be our master bedroom with a bathroom and a third bedroom. So when we moved into this bungalow, it definitely did not look like this. We've changed the whole outside feel. This part of the bungalow is an extension, so that wasn't there when we moved in. This window here was a garage door, part of the old garage, and then this window was here, but we've completely changed the whole window, taken it out, added a much more modern style to it. So we've rendered the whole property and added the cedar cladding, as you can see. Okay, so let's take a look inside. So here is our hallway. When we moved in here, there was no stairs. We've actually added these into the bungalow. There was a door just where the stairs are now, which we've boarded up, and we've created a new door to lead into the kitchen, dining, living area. So this was all carpeted with a lovely red style carpet, and we've ripped all that up, and as you can see now, we've replaced it all with brand new laminate. Once upon a time, there was no roof, and all this space actually became flooded and damaged with lots of rubble that had fallen through when the ceiling came down, which was a great experience, but we're slowly getting there. Upstairs is the next project, which I'll show you shortly, but this is our hallway. So now I'm going to just show you one of my favourite little transformations of the bungalow, which is our cosy living room. So this living room once was a garage / living room. We've built this wall here as the living room went all the way down to the back, so it was like a long living room. It was just a very strange space. So we've built this wall up. We knocked through the old garage wall so that we could have a bigger area. The back window used to be a garage door, which we bricked half of it up and have created as a window, so we've got quite a lot of light in here now. So as you can see, it's completely different to what it used to look like. This was designed by both of us. Here's Alf. Alf likes the floor in here because it's nice and soft. We designed this ourselves. We planned and designed it ourselves. And because we weren't in any hurry, we could take our time on it. So we've built this wall up and we've added paneling. So we've put the paneling in ourselves. I wanted something a little bit different, so we've gone for a non-traditional style. And then we've got our lovely fireplace. So both of us decided we wanted a nice fire with a log store. So we spent a lot of time last Christmas buying logs and chopping them up to fit. So that's our log store space. So this was all once old garage, so it's completely different to what it used to look like. And then this is from a different angle. You can see it's completely different to what the space was before. So from the living room, I'm going to walk you through the hallway and I'm going to take you to the downstairs bedroom. So this has always been a bedroom. We haven't actually changed this. It is still a bedroom, and it will be a guest bedroom once we move upstairs. When we had all the rain in 2019, when the ceilings came down, we had a lot of insulation fall down from the ceiling, so we had to completely gut it, which took a long time, but it's a completely different bedroom to what it was before. So in here, we've also gone for some paneling. We've gone traditional sort of paneling in this bedroom. We've gone for a nice greeny colour, and one day this will be a really nice guest bedroom for somebody. But for now, this is where we currently reside on a night, and it'll do us just fine until we move upstairs. So we now come to the downstairs bathroom. So it's a bit of a shower room more than a bathroom, because our main bathroom is going to be upstairs. So at the minute, this is just a shower room, and eventually will become a guest bathroom when we go upstairs. So bits that we've added in here, we've added black accents to the bathroom down here. A lot of the stuff we actually got off eBay to just try and save a little bit of money. So when we moved in, this was the first room we eventually did. So there used to be a blue bathroom suite in here. We've changed it all for white just to modernise it up. We did actually use the bathroom in here whilst we were renovating until we got to a point where we could rip this part out. So we've just tiled, and we've managed to do most of the work, well, all of the work ourselves, because Luke's quite handy. So he's managed to do all the plumbing, etc. So that's really been quite handy for us. We have had to do it as and when, but to do it ourselves has saved us quite a lot of money. So there's the downstairs bathroom. So I'm going to take you through now to where the biggest changes happened in this bungalow so far. So this is our extension that we had put on the back. This used to be a garden space, which is now our open plan living area with vaulted ceilings, kitchen with dining space also. So let's start in the back bit. So we've built this extension up vaulted ceiling, so it's really, this is where we spend most of our time. So we'll spend most of our time in here on an evening, cooking, watching telly, just chilling out. And it's really nice in the summer because we can open the bifold doors into the garden, which I'll take you out there shortly. So this space wasn't here when we originally moved in. It was a garden space, and we built this extension up so that we could have this really nice socialising space, which we're yet to use properly due to lockdown, but hopefully eventually we will get there. The space that I'm currently stood in now is part of the old kitchen, so there was a door here that led into the garden, and where the kitchen is currently, it used to be an old bedroom. So the downstairs did have 3 bedrooms. We've now currently got 1 bedroom, but we will be taking 2 upstairs. So this is my favourite place to sit. And then we've got kitchen, so we spend a lot of time cooking in here, obviously. That's what the kitchen's for. So we decided we went for a Ren kitchen. Unfortunately, Luke's handy and Luke's been able to fit all this. We were a bit unsure about a dark kitchen to start with, but because of the space, we actually love it. So here's kitchen, a living area, and then we're going to take you through to the dining room. So one of my favourite places is actually this dining room, because Luke made this table himself during lockdown. So the timber that you can see, this is part of our old roof. So we've had a new roof completely. So the timber from that are the old roof purlins, and we sanded it down, and I've oiled it all a couple of times to get that dark effect. And the table legs are from eBay. So it's actually really, for the table, it's only cost us between £40 and £50 after we've got the materials. So this is our favourite little space because it's quite nice to have something that we've made ourselves that we can keep. From there, we've got the wall that then was used to be part of our old living room. So this wall was built, which was on the other side of the living room that I showed you earlier. So we've built up this wall here. So the living room actually ran from the front of the house where I was to start, and it ran all the way through to the back where there was conservatory doors and a little out porch, which we've replaced with a window. So there we have our open plan kitchen, dining, living area. Again, all planned by us, our favourite little space. So for the dining room, I'm going to take you to where this used to be an old bedroom. Some might say this is our favourite part of the house. This is our utility room, complete with dog shower. So we built the dog shower ourselves, what with waterproof boarding, and I've tiled it all. So in the cold, wet days, Alf no longer has to use my shower. He can use the downstairs. So this is a great little storage area for us. We use this quite a lot. With cupboards. It used to be an old bedroom, we've completely changed it, added the boiler, washing machine, tumble dryer, and it's just a great handy space to have. And then we'll take you into my favourite little place, which is my gym space. So this is my home gym. This is where I work from, as I'm a personal trainer. I feel very, very lucky to have this amazing space in my house. So I run online classes from here, and group classes and one-to-one sessions. Let's turn my light on for you so you can see. So this was an extension, well, it is an extension that's been added to the bungalow. Just behind that door, that wall there, is 2 meters of where I've allowed Luke to have. We've given some space to Luke for his garage space, but this is my work from home office, my fabulous gym space. So I'm now going to take you outside into the garden. This garden is much nicer in the summer. It's been a little bit wet today, but this is our lovely Mediterranean themed garden, complete with outdoor kitchen. So again, this is all planned and designed by ourselves. Luke built this and taught himself to render. We could have got quotes for this garden and it would have taken us high into the thousands. We've spent a couple of £1,000 on this. So not as much as it would have cost us to get a proper landscape gardener in. So this is my little tranquil piece that I like to sit in. It's summer. Obviously it's autumn now, so we no longer sit out here. So this is the extension from outside. There was once an outdoor conservatory space which we've taken down, and then the gym extension, so access to my gym around the back. And then we've got a nice little seating area going on at the back of here, Love Island vibes, complete with hot tub. And then I've just kitted it out with lots of plants to just make it feel nice in the summer. So we bought all of our plants from local garden centres, and I've just really tried to make it feel tropical, and it's so nice to sit outside in the summer. So the outdoor kitchen space We've designed and planned it around this Belfast sink which was left here when we moved in. We found it in the flower beds and thought we could utilise it to make this fabulous outdoor cooking space. So hopefully when the summer comes back next year, we'll be spending more wonderful times out here. So I'm just going to finish up with a little house tour down here before I take you upstairs to show you what's next. Whilst I go around, I'm just going to do your little timescales. So we moved in May 2019. We put planning permission in, got the architect's drawings up, and we started all of the building work in September 2019. We moved out for a little bit as we moved into the caravan in the garden, which was fun. We moved into a caravan and then eventually moved back in February last year, just before lockdown hit. So actually we're really lucky that we managed to get all of the stuff that we needed before lockdown hit, and we were actually in a warm house and weren't living in a caravan in lockdown. So all of the work has been done by ourselves. Luke's a joiner, so we've done the majority of the work. We've got friends in the trade, so we've saved ourselves a lot of money. We currently believe that we've probably doubled the value of the property, which is really quite exciting. We're yet to have it valued and we've still got upstairs to do. So timescales, we're probably hoping that we've finished the complete bungalow by the end of this year. I am going to take you on a little tour upstairs, but just wanted to show you a full walk round, give you some timescales, and let Alf say hello to you. So as we go upstairs, Alf's going to lead the way. This is where it becomes Instaverse reality, because this is just still a bit of a building site. So obviously this wasn't here when we moved in, and this was all attic space. None of this was here. I'm currently using it as a storage area. None of this was here. So this bedroom here is eventually going to be a third bedroom. At the minute it's just a storage area. You can't even really see. So this is going to be a third bedroom. I'll be excited to show you what it looks like when we're done. We've got storage space in here. We will eventually be adding glass balustrades around the whole of this, so it's much more secure and it looks a lot neater and tidier. So I'm going to take you through to where our master bathroom is going to be. So these dormer windows were added not long ago. We've recently just added these, and then we're going to have master bathroom here. We're going to eat into this part of the room a little bit for where the shower's going to be. So hoping to have freestanding bath, sink, mirror, toilet, shower, and that's eventually where the master bathroom is going to be. And then I'll take you through to where our master bedroom is going to be. This is the space I'm excited for. So this upstairs here is going to be our master bedroom. So again, we've added dormer windows up here. So this space was just dead space when we moved in. This end bit is where the extension is. So we're hoping to have bed into a potential walk-in wardrobe at the back with dressing area. And we're hoping to try and get this completed by the end of the year, hopefully. It's handy to have a joiner working on it all. So this is going to be our bedroom, and hopefully in the next couple of months, I'll be able to report back and I'll be able to show you the finished project.
I'm Hannah at Ella's Bungalow, and this has been my gaff.